In this video, I'll show you 5 real ways you can make money using ChatGPT agents, OpenAI's newest automation feature that goes far beyond chatting. These agents can now browse the internet, gather data, analyze trends, write content, and even interact with your calendar or email. And with the right prompts, they can replace hours of manual work and turn your ideas into income. Let's break it down, one example at a time. The first way is affiliate marketing and content creation through product research. Say you want to create a blog, newsletter, or YouTube video on trending tech gadgets. ChatGPT agent can do the research for you. Here's the prompt. Search Amazon, Reddit, and YouTube for the top 10 trending gadgets in July 2025. For each, collect average price, key features, most common complaints, and number of reviews. The result? ChatGPT agent gave me a full comparison table with product names, prices, top complaints, and number of reviews. This task took about 15 minutes and gave me everything I needed to write an affiliate blog post or script a YouTube video. The second method is creating and selling online courses. Let's say you want to launch a course on Excel automation, Canva design, or AI tools. You can validate and plan the entire thing with one agent. Start with this. Search Facebook groups, Reddit, and YouTube comments for common beginner questions about Excel automation. Organize 20 real questions into beginner, intermediate, and advanced categories. Then ask, create a 10-lesson course outline with titles, learning goals, and project ideas based on this research. What came back was not just a generic course outline. It was a structured, lesson-by-lesson breakdown based entirely on real community questions. The agent grouped the questions by difficulty, then designed a progression that made sense for someone just starting out. Each lesson had a goal, a topic, and even a suggested mini-project. The third way to earn is by offering personalized cold email outreach. Instead of scraping leads manually or using expensive tools, use an agent to find small businesses and write tailored emails for them. Here's a safe and general prompt. Find 10 local coffee shops in Seattle that have their own websites. For each, gather contact info and write a professional email offering social media content services. Export everything into a CSV. You can sell this as a freelance service, doing outreach for marketing agencies, designers, SEO experts, or yourself. ChatGPT agents handle the research, copywriting, and formatting while you focus on results. The first thing the agent returned was a clean, well-organized Excel-style table. It included the business name, website link, email address, phone number, and street address for each coffee shop it found. Everything was structured row by row. Then, for each contact, the agent generated a fully written cold email, personalized with the business name, their website, and a short compliment about their menu or branding. Each email had a clear subject line, a brief offer for social media help, and a friendly call to action. The entire campaign, from research to contact list to email drafts, was done in a couple of minutes. No scraping tools, no spreadsheets, no writers, just one prompt, and the task was complete. The fourth method is competitive analysis and insights, valuable for freelancers, consultants, and e-commerce sellers. Let's say you own a store that sells home office accessories. You can prompt, find 5 Shopify stores that sell desk organizers. List their best sellers, pricing strategy, and customer feedback. Highlight what they do well and how I can differentiate. In a few minutes, you get a custom business insight report that would normally cost hundreds from a strategist. You can use it to improve your own store or offer it as a service to business owners who need help growing online. The fifth idea is finding new niches before they explode. Prompt: analyze Google Trends, Reddit startup threads, and product hunt launches. Find 3 business models with rising interest and low competition. Include audience type, startup costs, and potential platforms to launch on. You'll get startup ideas with research already attached, perfect for launching a side hustle, newsletter, or YouTube channel around that niche. This gives you a head start before markets become saturated. ChatGPT agents are not just a new feature, they are a turning point. With the right prompts, you can automate content, research, outreach, and strategy, all from one window. The real opportunity is not just in using the tool, but in thinking like someone who builds systems. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more AI tutorials, automation strategies, and real ways to build online income. Let me know in the comments. Which of these 5 would you try first?